Hey y'all, welcome back to the Makartt official YouTube channel. It's Amanda here with Your Nail Lab, and today I've got another great acrylic nail tutorial for you all. But before we get started, I am very excited to announce that Your Nail Lab is hosting a giveaway of the January box that is in collaboration with Natali Carmona. So yes, everything you see here could be yours for free. So be sure to take a look at the details on how to enter in the description box below, and good luck! So as you all can see here, this time I am wearing the XXL half cover tips that are included in this month's box. So shout out to Natalie because I watched her video on how to create content using half cover tips. So from now on, I got y'all. We are going to be doing acrylic with half cover tips the good old fashioned way. And in today's video, I'm going to be using the color Pinky Promise, which is this gorgeous light pink. I mean, y'all can see it right now. I think it will look beautiful on any skin tone. And I've got my monomer here, and I'm dipping the brush into the monomer and picking up a bead. And I think y'all will be surprised at how much better I've gotten since the last time we did our nails together. What do y'all think? A great thing that I've noticed while working with the new Makartt acrylic powders is that this formula is not a super fast setting acrylic powder, which I think is perfect for people like me, beginners, because you have time. You have time to manipulate it. You have time to spread the beads out where you think you want it to sit. And if you mess up, it's no issue. Just take a paper towel, wipe it away, and start over. I've got this really fun pack of glitters from the December box, and I'm going to use that today to do an encapsulated nail. So first thing you want to do is take a gel top coat and apply it all over your XXL tip. Now I'm just taking a pair of tweezers and I'm pulling the glitters directly from the jar, and I'm placing it right on top of that top coat. Then once I'm happy with where I've placed all of the glitters, I'm going to go ahead and cure that pinky nail to make sure that they stay in place. Now I'm going to take this clear polygel from Makartt that you can find at makartt.com, and I'm going to place a good amount right on top of those glitters and press out the polygel to create that beautiful encapsulated nail. Once I'm happy with the placement of that clear polygel, I'm then going to go ahead and cure it. Now I'm going to take a very tiny bead of that Pinky Promise acrylic, and I'm going to place it down there next to my cuticle, and this is what's going to create somewhat of an ombre effect. So I want this nail to start off with the Pinky Promise acrylic and then fade into that encapsulated nail. I'm happy with how everything looks, so now I'm going to go ahead and start drilling everything into shape. It's looking good, y'all, but I think it needs a little bling. So now I'm going to take these charms from the December box and these beautiful rhinestones that are in the January box, and then I'm going to take the Makartt rhinestone glue and do a very thin line of glue right through my ring finger. Now I'm going to grab that $ charm that was in the December box and place it right at the top. Next, I'm going to take those little baby rhinestones that are in the rhinestone pack from the January box, and I'm going to place them right on top of that nail glue line that we placed earlier. Isn't that cute? Once that nail's been cured, I'm going to go ahead and place one of the hearts from the January rhinestone pack, kind of off-center on my middle finger. And then after it's cured, put a little bit more rhinestone glue and add a pearl charm from the December pack right around it. Isn't that cute? Look at that. Fits perfectly. And I thought that heart was a little lonely, so I added 2 more hearts. Can never have enough bling. I'm now going to take some more rhinestone glue and add it just around my cuticle so that I can do some really cute cuticle bling. And for my thumb, I decided to go with this adorable pearl heart charm that is also from the December box. Once all of my bling has been cured into place, I'm now going to take this gel top coat and then cure it to finish it off. Alright you all, here is the final look and I think it came out so adorable. If you want to create this look for yourself, be sure to check out yournaillab.com and pick up the January Your Nail Lab x Natali Carmona box. It is limited edition, and don't forget, there is a giveaway going, so check the description box below on ways to enter. Thanks for watching.